data source example. We will see data source example in this session. So let's go for VPC. I'm opening the VPC dashboard just to recall the configuration of VPC. This is my VPC, and here the VPC is configured the default VPC. So this is the default VPC. You can see that configuration for default. I made one small configuration over. I just added one tag here. There's a key name is given the name, and I given the value is default. You can give whatever, and there some could be the value. So we can filter out the any of the parameters of VPC. So kind of name, VPC ID, state, IPv4, CIDR, or any other VPC parameter. So here we will go to take the example for the filtering of the tagging with the name. So here the name we have given the default. So let's go for the script. Okay, so I'm opening the script. Okay, so this is our script where we have used the data source for the VPC. So I have created the data source for AWS VPC, and just given the name for this source is the selected. So here I have given the filter. So filter we have given the tag. So in tag which value? So I given the name is my tag, and the value is default. So this will give the filter of the value where the name given the default. Okay, and this will return the this VPC properties, and in this specific properties I am taking the ID. So I am creating resource here AWS subnet with the value of 172.31.00, and here in VPC I have given the pass is the selected.id. So the VPC ID will be passed through the data source. So here I am not creating the VPC, but in some resource we need the resource already present in a cloud. So here the VPC is already present, and I'm just passing the value over the subnet. So let's have a run this script. So in plan the new subnet will be created. Here you can see the details, and it's automatically taken the VPC ID from the data source. So let's run this plan-2 for the apply. So now subnet is created. You can see the apply completed, one resource is added. Let's go to the console and let's refresh this VPC console here, and let's go to the subnet and see our subnet is created. So this is the new subnet is created here using the data source. So let's have a quick look again the script. So this is a simple script where we use the VPC filter, and we use the VPC reference is the AWS subnet resource creation.